Good day, children. Sai Ram. Children, what did you do in the previous period of value education? Yes, Gyani Dadaji told us about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so in short, we will do a recap what we have learned in the previous period. Okay. Who was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Yes. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was born on 14th November 1889. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and mother Swarup Rani. He was educated in India and Britain. His wife's name was Kamla Kaur. Indira Priyadarshini, that is Indira Gandhi, was his only daughter. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru contributed a lot for the development of India. He established many institutions of higher learnings. He wrote many books. He was fond of children and the children were also fond of him. So, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru died on 27th May 1964. Okay, so in short I had explained to you what we have learned in the previous period. Now we will be doing the textbook activities. So let us start. Answer the following. When and where was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru born? When and where was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru born? Come on, tell me. When was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru born and where was he born? Yes. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. And where was he born? In Allahabad. When and where was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru born? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. Okay? Next question. Who were his parents? What was his father's name and what was his mother's name? Can you tell me? Just now I told you, no? Yes. Motilal Nehru was his father and Swarup Rani was his mother. Who were his parents? Motilal Nehru was his father and Swarup Rani was his mother. Okay. Number 3. When did India gain independence? When did India gain independence? Means when did India got independence from the British rule? Come on, tell me. When did India get independence? India gained independence on 15th August 1947. When did India gain independence? India gained independence on 15th August 1947. Second question. Who were his parents? Motilal Nehru was his father and Swarup Rani was his mother. When did India gain independence? India gained independence on 15th August 1947. Next question. Number 4. What was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's dress code? Means what type of dress he was wearing. Come on, tell me. Can you tell me? What was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's dress code? Yes, come on. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to wear a sherwani, a cap, and a jacket with a rose on it. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to wear a sherwani, a cap, and a jacket with a rose on it. What was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's dress code? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to wear a sherwani, a cap, and a jacket with a rose on it. Okay. Next question. Number 5. Name the 2 famous books written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Name the 2 famous books written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Which are the books written by Jawaharlal Nehru? 2 famous books. Okay. The Discovery of India and Glimpses of World History. Which were the 2 books written by Jawaharlal Nehru? The Discovery of India and Glimpses of World History. So these were the 2 famous books written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, children? Now it's activity time. Given below are the abbreviations of the institutions established by Pandit Nehru. Write their full forms. Okay? Given below are the abbreviations of the institutions established by Pandit Nehru. Write their full forms. So you have to write the full forms of the institutions established by Jawaharlal Nehru. Now first one is IIT. Now what is the full form of IIT? Can you tell me? When I taught the lesson, I had told you the full forms of these institutions. IIT. IIT means Indian Institutes of Technology. IIT means Indian Institutes of Technology. Next, IIM. IIM. That is Indian Institutes of Management. IIM, Indian Institutes of Management. IIT, Indian Institutes of Technology. B1, IIM, Indian Institutes of Management. Okay? Go to the next one. C. AIIM. AIIM. All India Institute of Medical Sciences. All India Institute of Medical Sciences. AIIM. All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Next one, NIT. NIT. That is National Institute of Technology. National Institute of Technology. NIT. That is National Institute of Technology. AIIM is in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. NIT is National Institute of Technology. Okay. So children, we have finished with our today's period, and we'll meet in the next period with a new lesson. Till then, have a nice day. Sai Ram.